questions, direct and overview.
Hello po.
Hello po. Sabi ni Direk kanina, even sa parang liblib na lugar or sa remote places, naririnig niya yung kung paano yung reception ng tao sa inyo. And of course, not just here in the Philippines but also abroad, you are parang building a fan base. And how does it feel that there are people of different ages resonate with you, with your talent, and with your love team? Kay Ashley muna tayo.
Ako sobrang super grateful po ako kasi yun nga po, tulad po na sabi niyo kanina, iba-ibang edad yung mga sumusuporta po sa amin. And sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala na minsan mga batay na lapit sa amin, minsan teenagers, tapos minsan yung mga magaganda ng mga gagandang tito, tita, ayan. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa po kasi minsan iniisip ko, bakit kaya nila kami minamahal ng ganito, na bakit kaya nila kami tanggap ng buong buo. And sobrang nakakatuwa lang po talaga isipin na parang ang dami ko biglang mommies. Kasi kahit mga big or small wins ko po talaga, sabi ni Andres, nandun po sila and sobrang happy nila. And ang pinaka nakakatuwa po doon, pag mga nababasa ko, pinagpe-pray po nila kami. Parang yun yung sobrang sobrang na-touch ako doon na pinagpe-pray talaga nila kami. Kaya thank you po.
Yes, yun nga. The support talaga, it's been unreal. Di namin in-expect to talaga. Kahit from the start, di namin in-expect talaga. And to everyone that has supported us of all ages, it's eye-opening din kasi parang na-realize ko na, okay, like different age groups appreciate us and enjoy us and are fans of us. And kahit yung mga edits na nakikita ko and yung mga comments, the few comments that I've seen and read, it really nakakatuwa talaga because I would have never expected that it would get to this point really. And I'm just really overall thankful for all of them.
And also, it's so nice that you really appreciate each other as on-screen partner. I'd like to ask lang, I'd just like to piggyback on the title of the film. Isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna. Andres, if you were to give a kind of flower to Ashley, what kind of flower is it and why?
Bigay mo lang kanina.
I think I said it before, but I would give Ash, like I just gave her kanina, a white rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yun, Andres.
Ito yun.
For the
Okay,
case
so lagyan ni Andres to kay Ashley na hindi siya part ng props. So, 100 ba to?
Direct wala sa script yun eh.
100?
Hindi 100,
Okay.
pero... yan. I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just like, halimbawa, a red rose, you know, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, may memo lang ako natanggap. 100 daw yan. Sabi ng Viva Films family natin. Yeah, Andres made sure.
Tapos Dead Destiny pa kasi white rose sa papaya.
Kaya...
Thank you. Siguro, Direk, bonus question na lang. Why do you think the characters in this film really fit both Andres and Ashley?
Well, kung alam mo yung backstory nitong project na to, nauna ko siya na-conceptualize na wala pa talagang actors in mind. Pero, nung pinitch ko siya sa Viva, si Andres na yung pinopropose ko nun, hindi pa siya nag-aartista talaga nun. Tapos, hindi binigay sa akin ng Viva kasi parang in the middle of going through workshops. Kumbaga parang pinapahinog pa nila si Andres. Tapos, so for about 2 or 3 years, nakashelve lang yung project. And then, nung finally, nagkaroon na sila ng, kasagsagan ng mutya ng Section E. Ni-revive namin yung project. Tapos, ganun din, nagustuhan ng dad niya. Di ba? Tapos, hinahanapan din ng Viva ng project yung Ashdress kasi yun nga, sensational sila yung reception ng mga tao sa kanila. So, bagay sa kanila kasi parang ang lapit sa personality nyo. Kasi si Andres, na nakikita ko, parang, hindi naman siya introvert, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya yung parang jock. Jock talaga na lalaki. Goofy siya on set. Lagi siya nagme-make faces sa camera at binibidyohan ko yun, nire-release ko yun one day. Tapos si Ashley naman, she always struck me as someone na, alam mo yun, yung parang resilient, strong woman. Tapos ipapartner mo pa dun sa acting ability nila. Parang sa ganun ko nakikita na bumagay talaga sa kanila yung character. Aside from bagay sa real personalities nila, they really know their craft. Napakita na ba natin sa mga tao na gano'n talaga sila, workshops talaga sila na intensive under Sir J. Cruz for, 7 days, 5 days? O mga gano'n, 8 days to really prepare for the role. Yun. So, kaya nasabi ko, mixture of bagay sa, match dun sa real personalities nila in real life at saka dun sa intense love nila for the craft.
And also, it must be destiny, no?
And if I may add as well na the first time na nakuha ko yung script, nung binasa ko talaga, from the very first page, I could not put it down talaga. Kasi parang na-imagine ko yung sarili ko sa mga lines ni Rafi at nakakita ko din yung pagkasalita ni Luna kay Ash din minsan. And parang habang binabasa ko, mas lumalabas na yung emotions ko habang binabasa ko yung script for the first time. Kaya I knew at that time na, wow, ang galing ni Direk mag-write, you know? And I had a feeling na, okay, ito yun, like this is the right project.
Thank you and congrats. Good luck to the film.
Thank you.